This is my island in the sun.
Hi guys, I was just doing the flower show. I just noticed a minister coming and some loads of horses and police. Let's go and see what's going on. They're just over there, and the horses in the background might be interesting. Oh, that must be good, look.
بطانة هنمشي بطانة هنمشي صح صح yeah all right no مش حاسس we're going to present them to the public وصل للصور
الهلمت الجثرات الهلمت الله خاف لازمي ما بقدر تسخرون زميل ما فيش Right on. Gdzie tam myśl? Okay. All right. All right. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Boy. Good boy.
fejn jiġu imbirka u prezentati 5 niswiemel għall-kavallerija fiħdan il-Korp tal-Pulizija. Nistieden lill-Kummissarju tal-Korp tal-Pulizija, is-Sur Lawrence Kutajjar, għad-diskors tiegħu.
Il-taqsima tal-kavallerija ilha waqfa mis-sena 1860 u għalqet 159 sena. Il-Kmandant tal-Pulizija ta' dak iż-żmien, Hector Zinelli, kien awtorizza li jixtraw 6 żwiemel u t-tagħmir tagħhom. F'dak iż-żmien l-istalel tal-kavallerija kienu jinsabu fi 33 triq Arċisqof u Belt Valletta. U wara dawn l-istalel kienu ġew trasferiti għal triq San Kristoforu u Belt. Dak iż-żmien l-għan prinċipali tal-kavallerija kien dak li kontrolla l-volol u biex iwettqu r-ronda madwar l-irħula Malti. Għal-żamma tal-ordni pubblika kif ukoll sabiex jagħmlu skorti ma' nies prominenti li jżuru l-Gżejjer Malti. Fil-bidu tas-seklu 20 dawn l-istalel tal-kavallerija reġgħu ġew trasferiti lejn il-Manuel Aħmed.
Commissario, Facebook viewers, non-speaking Maltese people who are joining us today in the square. Today we have the handing over to the Police Cavalry 4 geldings and a mare, which about a week ago we got them over from Ireland after a number from our police force attended the stables there, actually chose the horses that are needed for our services, and eventually they got them over, and today I'm informed that the police taking care of the new horses. They basically had a long day, like each and every day. They have to look after the horses, they have to wash the horses, they have to feed the horses, they have to train the horses, and they have to get accustomed to each other. So now excuse me if I change to the Maltese language, to my native language. But I wanted you to get a bit of an idea of what's ongoing this sunny afternoon. Qabel xejn naħseb tajjeb illi ngħidu illi ftit tal-xhur ilu tlaqna b'impenn illi kemm jista' jkun insaħħu il-forza tal-kavallerija li sal-lum għandha 15 il-żiemel u uħud minnhom diġà ikollhom l-età tagħhom illi qed tilħaq il-limitu il-massimu li jista' jagħtu tal-iżwiemel li kienu qed jintużaw ukoll u għalhekk ikunu trejjati biex ma jweġġawx in-nies imma fl-istess ħin jikkontrollaw il-massa, jikkontrollaw l-imġieba ħażina illi ikunhom qegħdin jagħmlu xi ħud f'każ xi tip ta' rugby, eċċetera.
U għall-Ispirtu Santu Amen. Kif is-semek da fl-art. Obsa ta' kull jum għatina l-lum, għafrina d-dubita, għalma naqfrina ħada jina, daħalniex fit-tixrik, seħ nistan il-biddet. Talbu mulej biex tbirek il-dawn il-żwiemel kif koll ir-rikkiba tagħhom u l-kollegi kollha fil-korp tal-Pulizija b'mod partikolari fit-taqsima tal-kavallerija.
Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Just something short I noticed presenting these horses. I'll find some information about it. I didn't know I was just over here doing the flower show. and I saw all these horses turning up. Thanks a lot. Just a short video, I'll pop it in the week so you can have a look. I was in Valletta, something going on, eh? See you, thanks for support, welcome to the new subscribers, and don't forget, share, thumbs up. See you guys.
I'm an Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.